there you gotta have it. We still out here working on it. Like I said, Cody's still moving slow. Now I'm about to throw these fenders on. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and this is just another one of those painting videos because we still working on the donation Malibu. I got a lot of parts to paint. Told y'all that in the last video. But if y'all new to this channel, you just found out. So I'm gonna be knocking out the other rocker, the one that fell off the car, the rear hatch, the spoiler, and 2 fenders. Because we got to get this car done. It's already paid for. And I still got to paint the doors. Still trying to figure out how we're going to get those hung up. But if y'all see, y'all can see from behind me, got stuff floating from the ceiling and stuff. Got stuff hanging from the ceiling, from the rafters. Trying to utilize my space because I don't got a shop. So, trying to use, only got 2 workhorses. But I'm about to start slapping down that paint. Y'all know how we do it. Easy ease way. Then when I get done with the paint, I might show y'all around the Malibu. If you haven't seen it, you haven't watched the last video, it's outside. Because you said, like I said, I don't got a shop. I'm going to do a little bit, do what I can in this little bitty garage. But we make it do what it do, baby. Let's get started. And we're back. GoPro didn't go there this time. But like I said, I do what I can do with what I have to work with. This one has runs in it. So I shouldn't have hung it like that. Pretty much all of them have runs. but it all looks decent for what it is. I try to put the clear on thick so I get a smoother surface, less orange peel. I just gotta watch it, but it all can be sanded, then buffed and waxed, sand out all the runs. Yeah, like, oh, he's touching it already, because for y'all it's only been a few seconds. For me, it's been 2 hours. So I got some runs all down in here, not over here. Put it on a little bit too thick in some areas. See, I already moved the paper. Had the torpedo heater heating the garage up to 110. Everything got a little bit of runs in it, but as long as it's kind of smooth and it ain't all jagged. But I'm just gonna keep making these videos until my YouTube channel blow up, so I can get a shop with a paint booth. I end up having to run to my job to grab most of the parts for that car, and I forgot some. So I'm gonna have to run back tomorrow. Had to run up there because I got bags of parts, because that's where I store my other cars I'm not working on at my job. So I was storing all the parts to this car and another car at my job. But she's out here. See? Went up to my job, got the rear bumper, the tail lights. Like I said, this car already sold, but it is what it is. This side was hit by the previous owner. I didn't know it was pushed in that far. You can't really tell until you put a new tail light on there. But you got that big gap right there. Gap right there. But this car ain't gonna be looking like this forever, because y'all know what happened to all the cars I rebuild. They end up they get totaled again. So I'll catch y'all back in a few. Deuces. What up, though, people? It's the next day. We back at it. Gonna start getting all these parts that we painted that's still hanging around in the garage on this car. Even went to my storage area and got the front bumper and some more parts. My son was laughing. That's when yesterday parts came out the back of my car and I ran them over, going to pick up no more parts. Well, like, these parts of your car. So we gotta get the hatchback put back together. Yeah, I seen earlier, I learned my lesson. I ain't gonna paint parts until I'm ready for them, because the bumper's been painted for a year now. Just haven't been on the car. Start working on it. But it is what it is. Everything covered in dust. But we about to jump into it, getting the hatch put back, getting this all buttoned back up again. Hopefully we got all the parts. Hopefully. We're out here working on the Impala, getting a nice oil change. Make sure she stay running for a long, long time. But we about to jump on into it. Me and that boy that's sitting over there. So let's jump on into it. still out here working on it. Like I said, Cody's still moving slow. Now we about to throw these fenders on. Like I said, we gotta get this car pieced back together so I can start getting the doors prepped for another video. The doors gonna be last to paint. But he gonna get the car washed once she's all done. So we got the rear bumper on, tail lights, hatch, everything in the hatch has been put back together. We can't open it because obviously the doors are locked. But the aftermarket wiper blade off Amazon fits perfectly. Antenna back on there. Bumper, like I said, bumper back on. Now it's time to hit these fenders. The rocker for this side. Yeah, but both the fender rockers and the front bumper and that under plastic piece. Hopefully we can get everything put back together, because like I said, it's been a year since I took this car apart. And it's been sitting around in pieces. Y'all done seen this car in the background of most all my videos. It's sitting over there in the grass. And now we finishing it, because like I said, this Cody's car. He paid for it, and he's gonna get it plated. Gotta get it done. So we about to jump back to work. Deuces. That's gonna be a wrap. Got a front end smacked on there. I just thought about something. I'll address that issue later. I just thought about it. Like, we done put the fenders on. How we supposed to put the doors back on, the front doors, if you can't get to the screws? But we'll figure that out. Yeah, you can still get to them, but you can't get them. You can't access them as easily with the fenders off. You just, like, I took them off. So just do it the hard way. Get them started and do it by hand. I won't have to be able to use no power tools. I just thought about that. But the back doors, I can get back on with no problem. And we got Rich over here, just chilling, drinking his Miller Lite. Like I said, she got all pretty much buttoned up. It is what it is. And they're in the garage getting the doors prepped for paint. Ain't gonna be doing no more painting today. Been a busy day, got other stuff to do. Gotta go clean the fish tank. So y'all know what it be. So that's gonna be a wrap. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here at Easy's Rebuilds. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. And don't forget to share this video on your social media. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. We have merch at teespring.com. We take donations at Cash App. And we take donations of cars. If you're in the local, if you're not local, we come pick it up. There's all links in the description area below to my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces.